everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you a tutorial on the lemon slices metal die set I received from scrapdivadesigns. You can find this die set at scrapdivadesigns.com starting May 1st, and you could get a 10% discount using prisgemicinc. All the details will be listed in the description box below. Let's get started. So here is a lemon slice that I've made already, and it's kind of looks juicy inside, and I'll show you how to make it look really juicy and shiny. Let's get started. So I have this foam. It's probably maybe like 2 mm. Let's see. Yes, 2 mm. So I took all the slices and all the slices on the metal die set template, and I placed it all on the foam, and this is what I'm getting out of all of them. And so and then I would also take a choice of your paper for the solid bottom part of the slice in this color, and then the outer part of the lemon slice, this part, the rind and everything, is sparkly paper. So I took those and I stamped it out, and what I would do is I would glue this solid color paper on top of the foam like this. And then this rind part, I would glue it onto the rind foam. Like this. Then I would punch this out like that and remove the inside part. You can keep it too if you like the look of that. So I'm going to punch these middle triangle parts out. Remove all of them. There. And now we're going to glue this on top of the base. Just like that. Push it a bit. And then we have something that looks like this. And now we're gonna put some glossy Nouveau crystal drops. This is clear, crystal drops clear, morning dew, and it dries clear. And what we're gonna do is we're gonna fill the space all the way up to the top, because when it dries, it'll just shrink down. And you might want to do 2 layers after the first layer dries if you want it to be thicker inside. There. That's it. And it turns out like this. It's super glossy inside. I might make another layer, but look how shiny it is inside. You could also put little like pearls or little sparkles inside if you like. Isn't this look so juicy? These lemon slices, and this is a pink lemon slice. For my theme is lemonade, pink lemonade, and also just regular lemonade. And I'm making a cart, and These are going to go on so many different projects. It's going to go on the pictures. It's going to go on the lemon stand and also many other things that's going to be going on to this. Like, these decorations are really useful. So I hope you enjoyed this video on these juicy lemon slices, and you could get these at scrapdivadesigns.com. I have the link in my bio, and also don't forget to use the coupon code to get 10% discount using the prisgemicinc code, and I have that in the description box below as well. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time. Toodaloo!